The following video addresses the inspection and repair of the Ames C400 and C500 backflow prevention assemblies, sizes 8 through 10 inch. Before beginning any work, familiarize yourself with these procedures to avoid harming yourself or damaging the assembly. A copy of the following procedures, as well as specification sheets, repair kit ordering information, and additional product resources can be found online at amesfirewater.com.
To inspect your backflow assembly, you'll need a socket wrench, a number 4 Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 1/2 13x5 fully threaded hex bolt, a hex key, and an FDA-approved lubricant. To begin your inspection, shut down the water supply by slowly closing both the outlet and the inlet shutoff valves. Relieve any air or water pressure trapped within the system by slowly opening the number 2, number 3, and number 4 test cocks. Disconnect the 2 couplers around the valve body. Before opening the unit, clean off any dirt or debris that may have collected on the valve body during its life. Once clean, unthread the number 3 test cock and move the rubber gaskets away from the valve sleeve. Gently slide the cover back. Uninstall the relief valve by disconnecting the sensing line with a wrench and carefully unthreading the valve from the bottom of the cover sleeve by hand. Remove the stainless steel check retainer plates. Inside the unit, you'll observe 2 check assemblies, differentiated as the number 1 and number 2 checks respectively. Locate the 2 slots found atop each check and carefully insert a flat blade screwdriver between the check and the valve body. Using the screwdriver as a wedge, gently slide the module towards the open zone. Pull the check free and remove it from the assembly.